Hey everyone, it's Michael from MDO Video, and today I want to talk to y'all about old electrical outlets. These here are some old electrical outlets. The first three, this, and this are old. These ones here are like, this one's from the 80s, that one there is from the 90s, but the other two are from the 40s and 50s, 60s, probably. But, this first one here is called a two-pronger or an ungrounded two-prong electrical outlet. Alright. It's made by Slater. It's 15 amp, 125 volt, UL listed. And it's got a metal yoke thing on it. It's got the screws. Alright. And it's got a lot of, it's old, and the neutral goes on the left and the hot goes on the right, and you could only plug a two-prong outlet into it. There's no cord into it. Now there's no ground, so basically yeah. And another thing is it's really shallow, so it doesn't take up a lot of room in the box. Alright. Unlike this one here. See? The newer ones take up a lot more room. But yeah, this is a two-prong outlet. And it goes into a metal box like this. You got a metal box with a mud ring on it, alright? See? And it goes in there. Alright, and that's what holds it. Now, that's an old one there. Here's another one here. Now this one here, this one here is also a two-pronger, but it's a 15 amp, 125 volt. And it has been painted so many times. I mean, there's paint. I had to dig out these things. You could tell this is an old one because it's got so much paint in it. This is actually a 10 amp 250 volt or a 15 amp 125 volt. But these old outlets I really like, collect them, you know, but these holes are so clogged up with paint. It's not even, you could see how old this is. I mean, this is a 20 amp receptacle, and it basically, what happened is, oh, somebody jammed. I see what happened here. Okay, so somebody jammed the wrong kind of cord into this thing. And that's the problem with these old outlets, is that if you've got a cord with the same size metal piece that got strips that go into here, prongs, it's not gonna fit. You gotta have the polarized one with the small one and the big one. And what somebody did here is they jammed the wrong one in here. Yeah, they jammed the wrong one in here because of whatever. And these are old, see. So you can't even see. This thing's been painted over so many times that literally, it's literally that really old. And let me see something here. I can't even get this. Oh, there we go. See now how old that is. Isn't that cool though? So that's basically what I want to talk to y'all about today. If you like the video, please subscribe. Please comment, leave your comments below. And have a nice day. Bye.